Gentlemen, today I have some good news and I've got some bad news. Which would you like first? What's that? Good news? Cool. The good news is that you are a good-looking dude. Now it's time for the bad news. You might not be good-looking for very much longer. The reason is because there are 7 things, everyday things, that are ruining our good looks. Today we're gonna talk about them, identify them, and then punch them in the freaking throat because, quite frankly, if you eliminate them from your repertoire, you will be super freaking handsome for a very, 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 very long time. The first everyday thing killing our good looks: cereal. Personally, I absolutely love cereal. I grew up on it, right? My favorite is Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Down in the comments, I'm curious as to what your favorite breakfast cereal is. But the truth is, it's not real amazing for us, and it's definitely not good for our looks. The reason is because cereal contains refined carbohydrates. Refined carbohydrates are high in sugar, low in nutritional value, low in fiber, and definitely increase blood sugar swings. Eating a lot of refined carbohydrates increases your risk for heart disease, type 2 diabetes, not to mention man boobs. But the reason why I included cereal is because with cereal, what do you add? Exactly, milk. Milk is dairy, and dairy is terrible for your complexion, not to mention like bloating and a little bit gassy if you're a little bit susceptible or sensitive to lactose. The reason why milk jacks up your complexion and causes more acne is because the hormones found in milk kind of like activate your oil glands, and the more oil you have, the more prone to breakouts and blemishes you become. The second everyday thing that is killing your good looks is stress. Stress is a bitch. It's also something that we all deal with from time to time. But when you are consistently under a lot of stress all the time, your body is releasing cortisol. Cortisol is a stress hormone, and cortisol sucks big, hairy, unmanscaped nuts. When your cortisol levels go up, you know what else does? Oil production. When your oil production is high, this also leads to breakouts, blemishes, and looking like a huge grease ball. Ever notice when you have something big going on in your life, maybe it's a meeting, maybe it's an interview, maybe it's a date, maybe it's a graduation or something, you're all excited, you're all worked up, and you're thinking about it for a while, right? What ends up happening? Exactly, you always get a monster zit. Coincidence? I think not. I also think that you should never do number 3, which is pop and pick that pimple. If I show a thumbs up on this video, who out there can't resist squeezing or popping or picking a zit when they got? I know I can't, right? The downside though is if you are somebody who consistently pops or picks, the more you pop, the more you pick, the more you just mess with anything on your face, you are increasing the likelihood of you leaving a scar. The fourth thing that will kill your good looks is not developing a solid skincare routine. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. If you're somebody who wants to have incredible skin, not just like average or good, I'm talking amazing, you gotta do a few specific things every single day. Twice a day, you need to wash your face with an incredibly high quality face wash designed for your face. You see, the skin on your face is different than the skin on your body, and so if you're using a bar soap on your face, you're drying and damaging the soft, sensitive skin on your face. Instead, you should be using a wash that is designed specifically for your face that is mild. The Tiege Hanley wash is going to strip all of the grime, the oil, the dirt, but still leave your face soft, supple, and moisturized all day long. And then twice a week, you need to gently exfoliate the skin on your face. Exfoliation removes the dead skin cells that build up, and it brings new, fresh, lively skin to the surface. The Tiege Hanley scrub, guys, is incredible. We use apricot seed to gently remove the dirt, the grime, and the dead skin and leave your face soft, supple, and feeling super fresh. And you've got to moisturize in the morning and at night. In the morning, you need a moisturizer with an SPF of 20 to prevent the sun's harmful rays from beating down on your super sexy, handsome ass. And then at night, while your body is resting, it is rebuilding. And so you got to make sure that it has what it needs in order to do that most effectively. And the Tiege Hanley PM moisturizer is amazing. Put it on a little bit right before you go to sleep, and when you wake up, boom, super freaking handsome. That's it. 4 steps, 4 products, and those are the products that come in a level 1 Tiege Hanley system. You're also, though, gonna get this, a little welcome card, but on the back, this is where the magic happens. It tells you exactly what time of day to use what product, in what order, as well as how much. Tiege Hanley, we have taken all of the guesswork out of looking incredible. Now, if you're somebody a little bit older, you might want to step it up to level 2 that comes with an anti-aging eye cream, or if you want to take your anti-aging fight to the next level like a kung fu freaking ninja, you want to go level 3 that comes with the eye cream along with the anti-aging super serum. So if you're ready to look as handsome as humanly possible, guys, hit that link down below and go check out Tiege Hanley. That link is special. It's custom to me. It's going to offer you a better deal on your first system than you're going to find anywhere else. Because I'm an owner, guys, I decided that I wanted to offer you a super sweet deal in order to try it. Because I know that once you try it and see the results and start getting compliments on your skin and your complexion, you're going to be hooked, quite frankly. It's kind of like skincare crack. Gentlemen, hit that link down below. Go check out Tiege Hanley and get handsomer today. The fifth everyday thing that's making you less attractive are nasty nails. Gentlemen, if you think for a second that women, senoritas, or dudes don't notice your hands, you would be 1000% wrong. They look, they notice, and if your nails, your cuticles are all chewed and bitten and nasty, your sexiness goes from like a 9.5 to like a 7.5. And if your feet are funky, you drop to like a 5. Gotta make sure that your nails are trimmed, your cuticles aren't all like bitten and nasty. One trick that I would give you is use Vaseline. A little dab on your finger, and then on your nails, rub it into your cuticles before you go to bed is a great way to help hydrate and condition the cuticles, as well as give your nails a little bit of shine. You could also, though, use chapstick. Sixth everyday thing that is killing your good looks is not getting enough sleep. Guys, sleep is critical to not only like your overall physical health, but your looks as well. If you're not getting enough sleep, guys, all hell and havoc starts to break loose. Dark circles, bloodshot eyes, not to mention everything else that goes wrong. When you don't get enough sleep, the chance of you actually gaining weight goes up. Last but certainly freaking not least, the seventh everyday thing that is killing your good looks is your mouth. Chapped lips, bad breath, funky teeth. Gentlemen, you gotta make sure that your mouth is straight. Also, remember how I was telling you about the Vaseline conditioning your cuticles? It's also amazing for your lips. Vaseline also conditions your lips, alleviating and preventing chapped lips from happening. Like literally, this is my go-to. Every night before I get into bed, I will do my cuticles. Sometimes I forget my cuticles, but I always remember my lips. Go to bed, I wake up, my lips are super freaking soft and kissably sweet. Now, breath, you gotta make sure that your oral hygiene game is strong. Every 6 months, you should be going to a dentist to get a cleaning. You should be brushing twice a day, morning and night. You should be flossing, you should be rinsing. You should make sure that your mouth is always kissably soft.